The UK government just said they might change the law if they don't get their own way. According to The Guardian, Rachel Reeves, who is the Chancellor of the Exchequer, is considering using retrospective rules to overrule the Supreme Court, which is the biggest court in the country. That's if they rule in favour of the great British public in Friday's landmark case called Johnson versus FirstRand. This is currently a £44 billion consumer scandal involving hidden fees when you bought your car, and millions of UK drivers could be owed something. This case is about whether car lenders and dealers acted unfairly by secretly paying hidden fees and whether that broke the law. The Court of Appeal already ruled in the consumer's favour. Now the Supreme Court is deciding if they were right and if that becomes the law in the UK. If the Supreme Court agrees, again, it could trigger one of the largest consumer repayments in UK history. But instead of letting the courts decide independently, which is what they are literally designed to do in the UK government is already talking about stepping in before the decision has even been made by the courts. Legal experts such as Sentinel Legal say this would undermine the independence of the courts and would breach the separation of powers between the government and the courts and would make the UK no longer a democracy. This isn't just about hidden fees on your car policy anymore, it's about whether the law protects the great British public or protects the lenders. Let me know if you believe the Supreme Court should be allowed to do its job free from political interference. Now you know.